Let Millie back in. Can't never have a snack alone. I never like those. You're my baby. You're my baby. You like those cheeses. Cheeses. I'm gonna bring you some, Clyde. Hold on. No. You can wait a minute. Sure. Face it. Face it. Okay. 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 Millie, did you get in the water slide, honey? I would like to put one in my mouth, you know. How? Get off him. Tiny, where'd you even come from? Yeah. Sugar? I said patient. Where'd you get that from? Levi. Here. Dobby. Dobby. You want the cracker? Hmm? Oh. That way here. Hmm. You dropping so many crumbs. You want to take a break or get some water? Hmm? There's honey. You done? There's a lot. Everybody's getting snacks. Come on. We'll go in the house. Bonnie, take your meat butt on somewhere. Ah! Excuse you. Here, here. Ah, here. What you need?
I'm gonna go get a cup. So we can help walk faster.
No. Can you put her back in the house? No, no, put her back in the house. They've already had enough snacks today. Dobby. Yeah. Love you. What are you doing? Your legs all healed up now, huh? You think you're somebody, huh? You think you're somebody? You want a cracker? I think you don't like crackers? Dobby likes crackers. Bonnie broke our fence again. Hence the reason this is here. And hence the reason he's out, because he did it again a while ago. Put my foot right under it. I'm going to have to fix it back before I put them in there. They're just so destructive. And just so destructive. Sugar. Hazel. Bonnie. Clyde. Come here, babies. Yeah. Cookie. You still thinking about it? Okay, there you go. Okay. Honey. Honey, you want crackers? Can you go in there and see where Dustin's at? What's that for? Oh.
I'm getting half of animal crackers.
For what?
Oh my god.
Oh. I know. Here. Oh, here, Clyde, since you didn't have no baby. Here you go. Y'all make a mess with that feed. Hey, honey bunnies. You mean Dustin?
Yeah, Dustin.
He's in there.
I know.
I saw him in there earlier, but he won't come out. Ma'am. Ma'am. I need to get in the food. Right here. Ma'am. Honey, ma'am. With your pretty big eyes. That you do got pretty big eyes. You want a snacky? These gnats are horrible. Can I get in the food, please?
You want it, Gunner?
Ew.
They're not ugly, bro.
Ugh.
They're not ugly.
Ma'am. Ma'am. Oh, look, magic. Thank you. Come on. So they were going through so much hay, I decided to try this alfalfa pellets that someone said was really good for them. So I got some of those to try. And only a handful of them like them. Surprise, surprise. I think Dobby likes them really good. Y'all go ahead and eat. So it's time for night-night.